We love to... Let's show that big smile. There it is. Let's kick our feet. Kicking our feet. We're going to get rid of the A&D cream here. Look at those little feet. Look at those little feet. Yeah. Hey. 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 Okay, you were giving me some big smiles before. Where are those big smiles? Where are those big smiles? Where are those big smiles we had?
Nora, you look so serious.
You looking at the camera? Nah.
You're wondering what Daddy's doing, right? Hello.
What is Daddy doing?
She's very interested in the camera.
She's looking at the camera. You're looking at the camera more than you're looking at us. You're looking at the camera more than you're looking at us. Hey. Is that much more interesting?
Oh, let's show the radio because I promised Margie. Nora, you want to listen to your Mozart radio? Good job. You're following it so nice. See all the lights right there? Plays music for you. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
Okay, we're not getting any more smiles here. What happened?
You excited to see that, Nora? You turn it up?
No, it's not. Another 10 more seconds.
Yeah, yeah.
Do her feet, maybe she'll smile.
What?
Do kick her feet, maybe she'll smile.
You wanna play with your legs? Up and down, up and down, open and shut, open and shut. Bicycle, bicycle.